Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix DeWalt blower that won't stay on, power cut off, battery and trigger fix. So check the battery, charge. So remove the battery from the blower, then press the battery indicator button to check the charge. If the battery is low, charge it fully. Reinstall the battery and test the blower. Second one is, make sure the battery is logged in. Remove the battery, then insert it back until you hear a click. Then gently pull on the battery to make sure it is logged. Turn the blower on and check if it stays running. Third one is, clean the battery contact. Remove the battery, then wipe the battery terminal and blower contact with a clean dry cloth. If needed, use a cotton swab with a small amount of rubbing alcohol. Then let everything dry before reinstalling the battery. Fourth one is, let the blower cool down. Turn the blower off, then remove the battery. Let both the blower and battery cool for 20 to 30 minutes. Reinstall the battery and test again. Fifth one is, test with another battery. Install another fully charged DeWalt battery, then turn the blower on. If it works normally, the original battery may need replacement. Thanks for watching.